guys, I'm Eloise and I'm a drummer from New Zealand, and I just wanted to play a song for you guys. It's not the whole song, I'm only playing a part of it because I want it to be a bit short. So I'm going to play Toxicity for you, and I'm going to show off my new fire sticks as well.